traveling.
Yes, yes, I'll do that. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, kids. So let me share the screen.
Sir,
Yes.
we have to join leeches today or not?
No, Abha, not today. Okay, kids. This is black to play. Can you think and play?
Again a chat puzzle.
Yes.
Sir, black to play.
Yes. Yes, Abha.
Sir, rook to even.
Rook to e1. Will that help? It will get captured, right?
Oh, yeah. Two. We are only one. I was also thinking like that. Rook is there. After the queen capture, we can get. But the bishop can also capture.
Yes, Abha. Do you want to say something?
Sir?
Yes, Purna.
Sir, Nivan is saying anything, sir. With
Okay, okay. Yes, Tripurna, are you saying something?
so can we capture their queen? Sir,
Yes.
D6 pawn to D6 pawn to G3, and then rook to E1.
D6 pawn. I cannot say D6. You are saying D6 bishop
Yes,
to G3.
yes.
Okay, and what if the pawn captures?
Oh. So then maybe we can get the queen to E5 or something.
But the king will come here in that case, right?
Sir, queen captures rook. Sir, queen captures rook. Yes, sir, I'm thinking of that, but then our queen can capture the rook. Then, sir, it is equal, right? Yes, sir, queen captures it's equal. It's equal. Capture the rook.
But then what benefit you are getting actually?
Take queen at 6. Take queen at 6.
Queen?
So,
Queen captures F6. Queen captures
what
F6.
about also? Yeah, Judge. Queen H6.
But in that case, your rook will get captured, right?
Then we can capture him on then checkmate.
Okay, okay, from here, right? Okay. So in that case, if you are playing this,
On the king captured. Maybe so he can put the pawn. The king will capture the queen.
There is taking the bishop.
Then maybe so he will pawn.
yes, this is the solution for it, Nivan. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's not.
Sir, now the pawn is pinned.
Yeah, but if you play this and this, okay. Now the pawn, even though the pawn is pinned, okay, pawn has got nothing to do, right? It's not protecting to anybody or something, right? So not a good idea. Okay, what else you can think of, kids?
Pawn to d4.
Pawn
d5,
to-
pawn to d4.
Very good, Anay. This is good one. Why do you think you should push this?
Pawn to d3. Pawn to d3. Defender. Defender.
Very good, Anay. Okay, what will you do, kids?
Pawn to g3 because it is gone.
Wait.
After the bishop capture, we can play rook e1. After the queen capture, we capture he.
Right, kids. If
Rook to
he
d1.
captures,
He will not capture.
yeah, he will not. Okay, if he captures, it's a checkmate. Okay, checkmate in the sense not checkmate, but you are winning the game.
But sir, now we can
Okay.
play bishop c5.
Yes.
And after the 1, 2, 3 things we do, then it's a checkmate.
The game is gone. Okay. So
So I will tell
yes,
he will not
very
capture
good.
it.
Anay, very good. But he will not capture. Okay. So what else he can do? Maybe he can run away. He can come here or come here. Okay.
He will not go to b4 again. The bishop can capture.
Right. So what if he comes here? If he comes here, okay, then what you can do? You can capture this. Okay. Now what will he do? He will capture, right?
Rook.
If he captures, you will capture, and you are clearly a piece plus.
Yes, sir. Now he can play a queen e8 check.
Queen
E8 check.
e8 check is okay. I mean, it's not that danger, right? You can protect it. Even
Yeah.
if he gives from here, that is also okay. If he captures, then it is dangerous for him. It's a checkmate from here. Okay. So he will not do this. He cannot leave this place at all.
He will move any of his pawn maybe too.
Okay. Anyway, so this move was very good actually, and Anay, I appreciate you played well actually. Okay, so he applied the tactic of removing the defender. Kids, we have already learned, right? When now in this case, this bishop is defending this square. Okay, can you see, Agastya? Pay attention. This bishop is defending this square. Okay, this square is very important for us. As soon as the bishop is removed from here, okay, majority of the kids will capture it. Okay, if this is captured as I shown, it's a almost gone kind of game, right? You can maybe either you play this or he will play this. Okay, but then your queen plus as compared to the rook, you are having extra queen, right? So this is definitely a good position. Okay, and as we shown, suppose in case if he is not capturing, if he comes here, this can be another alternative. In that case, you captured, he capture, and you capture. Now you are again on bishop plus. Okay, Sanvi,
And also it's very much
understood?
checkmate on the move.
Okay,
Queen f1 is
right. Yes, in this case, after white, it's white's turn now actually. So depends on what white plays. White may play this actually. Okay,
then we can play queen f4.
queen f4.
F4. Attacking the pawn for a checkmate again.
Yes, in that case, it will play this.
Then we can play queen g1.
Queen c1. Okay. What next? You want to capture this?
Yes.
Check. Capture.
And he will play
You cannot capture
again.
this.
Yet. Queen.
You cannot capture this
No, we
actually. Yeah.
cannot capture.
To save it. What will you play next?
Sir, pawn to a5 is a waiting move, right?
Not waiting move actually. I just saved my pawn. Because otherwise the queen would have captured, right? Correct? Yes. In the next move, he will capture it, right?
Yes.
That's why I played this. Now what will white play?
White play.
He might try this.
Yeah, Queen A. Sorry. The Queen E8.
E8. Here,
Yeah.
what is the plan?
To pin the bishop.
What is the use of pinning the bishop actually? If you move your queen here, you are losing the support of your pawn, right?
Yeah.
So if you lose a pawn and checkmate, then what is? If you are losing a pawn, then you can checkmate, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. No, but in that case, he will definitely play this again, right? Either he will play that or he might play this, right? Protecting the pawns as well as protecting the bishop. And in the next move, he might play this and then free up his king. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What else you can think of? I mean, this is good move actually. This is good move definitely. So after this, what will you play now? You may want to push the pawns. What next?
So, can you go one step back?
Here?
Yeah. How about Queen G8?
Here?
Not now. Can you go again a black? One back. Yeah.
Now see it.
No, again one more back. Now I am Queen G8. The protection will be here and everything here. C3. No, sir. The ball will capture.
Anyway, so the plan is, I mean, white cannot do much, right, kids? Because he has to keep this pinned, he has to keep the queen here. To keep this protected, he has to keep the queen here, right? He cannot do much. And vice versa, black can maybe after playing this or after, yeah, after bringing the king here, protecting the bishop, he can capture this followed by start promoting this pawn, right? So at least black has some chance to promote the pawn. Okay. and because of the bishop, he can do extra. He is having extra benefit. Okay. So anyways, kids, what was important here? Identifying that
Sir, and
who is the defender.
the queen which was on the b4, means it can capture the pawn. Means it was able to capture.
Right, right. So what was important here, kids? Identifying that this piece is important, who is defending, okay? And by pushing the pawn, you are trying to deflect the defender or remove the defender, okay? So by giving this, as I shown, majority of the kids will capture this and you will get opportunity to encash, okay?
Sir,
Or
is it a forced move?
it's not forced, it is option. So because he is getting free, he will capture, okay? If
Yeah.
he captures, then as shown, the queen is now gone, right?
Sir,
Yeah.
this is called a rook poke, right?
Yeah, you can call it like that. It's a double attack basically. Okay.
Not gone. The king is gone.
Yeah. I think I should put Rudra on mute. Rudra, can you go on mute? Thank you. Okay. Now, when he captures, he will capture back. Okay. And then he comes here, right? So this is
And
one,
we can play bishop c4.
yeah, where you get the
Not this time got the rook in out there.
this is good actually. If he captures, this is a checkmate. Okay.
Yeah.
Because he cannot come here, right? And rook is here.
For to capture a bishop.
Right. He has no choice. Otherwise, suppose if he brings something like this, then also it is a checkmate. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you see? Abha, understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, kids. So this is it. Let's move to the next one, kids. Okay, white to play.
Sir, is this another puzzle? White
Yes.
to play?
White to play, right?
Yeah, queen to h6.
Queen to h6. Very good. Okay. Now black has two choices, either to come here or come here. Okay. Now suppose he chooses to come at h8. What will be your next move?
I will.
Sir, queen. Sir means if we move the queen to g7, then it will be get captured, right?
Yes. So what will you play?
Oh, sir, and we cannot move the knight also to f. We cannot move the knight also to f6 because then it will be a stalemate because the queen is because the king cannot move anywhere.
But it's not stalemate.
But yes, sir, it is not a
Yes,
stalemate.
no sir, means it will get captured. From it can get captured from knight also and
Yes,
queen
it will
also,
get
sir.
captured
Both.
also because the queen or the knight is captured.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so kids, think over it. You are going in the right direction. Okay, so if he captures, what next?
Sir, then yes, sir. Then we will capture from pawn. We will capture from pawn.
Yes.
No,
What?
sir, first we'll capture the first we'll make the pawn capture and then maybe we can capture and then maybe the
No, sir.
pawn d7.
No, sir. Means we want to do to means for giving checkmate to king, we should do pawn promotion. We have to do pawn promotion.
Let's try. Captured. Who is going to capture now?
Sir, knight
Knight.
and queen. Knight, sir.
Knight. Knight.
Sir, now then we will capture.
Okay. What next?
So now the queen might capture it.
Sir, then now we will move rook to e5.
Rook to
E5.
The queen will capture the pawn.
The queen
Yes,
is
the queen will capture the
No,
pawn.
sir. No, sir. Sorry, I thought white.
If the queen captures the pawn
D7.
on d7.
Sir, yes, sir. We are having the support of rook of d1.
What next?
then we will spot the rook.
Sir, promote
Sir,
a
promote.
promote the pawn.
So black to play, kids. Black to play.
Sir, block the pawn.
Black to play. You want to capture this? If you capture, I'll promote. Check.
Queen.
Check, sir.
Okay, now what?
And so queen to
Sir,
queen to
sir,
D7.
sir, now rook to rook to d7, d7, sir, d7. Now rook to d7.
There is a check. What will you play, kids? Black side.
E8.
Sir, to no, sir, king to f. Captured,
It's a
sir.
checkmate. Okay. So black is losing in that case. Okay.
Yeah.
So after this, if he played here, check. Now it is a forced move.
Yeah.
There
Yes,
is a
sir.
background noise from somebody. Can you please mute yourself, kids? Yeah, thank you. Was it Sanvi? Thank you. Okay. So kids, now this is a forced move. Okay. ये कौन है भैया अभी? Okay. This is a forced move. If you can see, there is a check. Okay. And he has to move. If he moves, this is a
It's not
checkmate.
only a check, it's a knight fork.
Yeah, this
It's
is
a knight fork, king and rook.
yeah, it's a
And
fork.
knight.
Okay. So if he moves, it's a checkmate. Okay. So obviously he has no choice but to capture the knight. Okay. Now when he captures, we will capture back. Right?
Yes.
What next? Will he capture back? Suppose
No
he
way.
captures. Suppose if he captures the rook, okay, we will give the checkmate from here. Okay. So again, it's a forced move. No choice but to capture. Okay.
Yeah.
And in that case, again, pawn fork. Okay. Now he has.
I want to say
Mul-
something.
Yes, Nivan?
D8.
Rook e d8.
You play at the E8 book to D8.
Okay, you want to play here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even
Sir, then we will go to we will put our white rook which is at e1. We will go to now, sir.
then we will capture your queen.
Sir, then it is captured, sir. Means what
It's-
is then there is no use to
Sir, if it
promote,
is
sir.
captured, then what is the use of promoting?
Yeah, sir.
But you are a rook plus now, right? You are having extra rook.
No, sir, means sir, can you take rook means back? Yes, sir. So now, sir, we can take our rook to e8. E8.
In that case, you are losing actually. Now he will capture, right?
Yes, sir. No, now we will promote. Now we will
Capture.
promote.
Now the extra rook that you had, you lost that. Can you see?
And you have a
Yes.
And also this is under pressure. Okay. Please go on mute, Tanvi.
capture the D2 activate with the pawn. For capture, so can you go to the last position, Divya?
This one. Yes, you are saying, Nivan. Nivan, are you saying this position? Black to play
Yeah.
now. Now white to play, right?
Capture the SC with the up with your pawn. Now the is equal.
No, but you are now under danger, right?
The black. Yeah, can we go back? Right. Yeah.
Sir, so much disturbance voice.
Yeah. F4. King D4. So they kill black with
Right. So it is
Right.
becoming difficult actually for right now.
Sir, disturbance voice is so much, sir.
Queen
Yes, sir.
Queen checkmate.
Queen.
The Queen D6 checkmate. They're not a checkmate. The kingdom
It's-
moves to F6.
Where?
5. H5 or H4.
It's a mate, right?
No, sir. H5 it can move.
H5, how can it come? There is a check, right?
It's a checkmate.
H4.
H4 there is queen. Queen is
What is
only
the queen?
attacking in the diagonal.
Right.
Yeah.
He cannot come here.
It cannot even
Correct.
come to G4 because pawn is there.
Sir,
Right.
it is a checkmate.
Correct. Okay. So in short,
Yes, sir. It's checkmate.
Checkmate.
you lost the game actually, which you should ideally have win. Okay. So giving the rook here, this suggestion was not good. Okay. When the pawn was here and two rooks were here, right? So in that case, capturing the rook was the only alternative. Okay. Only possible alternative. Yeah. Anyways, kids. So what was important here? Giving the check when it comes here, bringing the knight. If he captures, good. If he doesn't, then checkmate. Okay. So he has no choice but to capture. Okay. Now he has multiple choices. Capture this, capture this, capture this. Okay. Obviously, he will not capture this because the rook will capture, right? He will not capture this
No,
because
he
the rook
will
will
not.
capture,
So
right?
he will capture the even rook. They will not capture his rook. We will play a Queen D7 checkmate.
Correct. It's a checkmate actually. Yeah. So he has no choice but to capture this, right? Now in this case, we will push the pawn. Yeah. Now here we saw the multiple, variations. One of the variations suggested by Nivan was this. Okay. Another variation was capturing this. Okay. So even if he captures, suppose, right? So we are giving check, right? Now he has no choice but to bring, and it will be a checkmate. Okay. So capturing the rook is not good idea.
The two queen checkmate is very easy, right?
Right. So here, this is the possibility. Okay. From black side, when we push the pawn, this is the possibility, another possibility. Okay. Now in this case, what you can do, you can again capture this, promote it, right? Now with what he is taking, it depends. If he takes with this, then what? Okay.
So he will take with that. Then Queen F8 is almost checkmate from white.
Correct. This is a checkmate. Okay. So he will obviously capture it with this, then
Then
check.
he will capture.
Okay. Again capture and then checkmate.
Then again checkmate.
Okay. So this is how it's a good trap actually. Okay, kids. So identifying this and then bringing. Okay. These are the end game positions, kids. Okay.
Bad move. White.
Right. So all these variations that we saw, okay. So when you are playing the game, you need to think all these possible combinations. Okay. Particularly see, you are playing well. Okay. As I said, every one of you are playing well.
Sir,
But
even
for two
sir,
reasons.
even though
Yes,
the
yes,
white
yes, yes. Hold on, beta. For 1 minute. Hold on. Okay. You are playing well. Okay. But for two reasons. One is time pressure. Okay. Do you feel time pressure while playing the tournament?
no sir.
You
No,
don't?
sir.
Sir,
No.
I do.
Mayuresh, Nivan, Advait.
No, sir.
Sir, I do.
Okay. What about Mayuresh?
Sir, I do.
No. Okay. Those who do
Hello?
not. Hello, Sanvi, bolo.
Sir, actually, sometimes I get scared because of the time.
All right. Okay. Can you go on mute, Sanvi?
Sir, I wasn't muted someone else's mic.
Okay. Okay, kids. So, if you are not feeling time pressure, okay, there are two reasons. Either you are not thinking, the first reason, okay, and 90% of the times it is very much applicable. And if you are thinking, then you will be losing on time, okay, because for thinking all these possible combinations, you need to spend time, right? So if you are saying that I am not feeling the time pressure, okay, if you are, hold on Nivan, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, if you are thinking that you are not feeling time pressure, that means you are not thinking properly. Okay, so you need to start thinking. Think means what? You need to try all these possible combinations. Okay, try for all variations. What are the possibilities? Don't just think for one or two moves. Generally what we say, if I play this, he will play this. Okay, but have you gone beyond that? Just to give example, if I give this check, he will go here, then I will bring here, then he will capture, then what? Okay, have you thought beyond this? Okay, and all this thinking that you have to just imagine in your mind. Okay, because here we can play and check, right? If I play here, he will go here, then I will come, then he will capture, then I will play. Here I can do and I can take it back. But in the real game, can I do like this? I cannot, right? So I need to bring this picture in my mind map, okay? And then imagine, okay, what if I bring my queen to h6? He has only two squares. The king can go to g8 or h8, right? Now see, I am not moving. Neither I am drawing anything. I am just imagining, okay? And I am just talking loudly so that you understand what is going on in my mind. Okay, so my queen can give check from h6. I don't have to worry, I have support of my knight. So king cannot capture my queen. So king has left with only two options. One is g8 and h8. Okay, after that I can bring my knight to f6. I have support of my pawn. I don't have to worry. If he captures with the knight, which is very much possible, I will capture with my pawn and give threat to his queen. Okay, so this way I'm thinking. Okay, and all these things are happening on the board, right? Correct, kids? So
Sir,
you
not giving threat to the queen, giving threat to the king with the pawn.
yeah, first thing is queen. Everyone is thinking like that, right? So obviously he will try to save his queen, and then question comes, if he wants to save queen, where will he go? Okay, in that case he will have option to capture the pawn, right? So after that, what I will do, I will push my pawn to d7 and fork the two rooks. Now here I am getting opportunity to capture one of the rook, right? So all these things you need to think, okay? And for this thinking, you need minimum, 2 minutes, 3 minutes time, right? So just imagine if you are playing a game of 10 minutes or 5 minutes, and if you are spending 2 minutes there, will you not run out of time, right? Definitely you will be in the time crunch, right? But as I said, earlier, if you utilize your opponent's time, okay, because you have 5 minutes, your opponent is also having 5 minutes. Okay. I'm just
Yes.
talking in case of the online tournament that we are playing. But the real
Yes.
tournaments, we have enough time. 25 minute plus 5-second increment is the minimum time in one day rapid. Okay, or if you are playing the classical tournament, 90 minutes plus 30-second increment, enough time, right? But when you start
Yes, sir.
thinking,
I also play
doing the deep analysis, right? So when you are doing the deep analysis, that time you require more time. Sometimes you can see the players thinking for 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, because they are doing all these possible combinations in their mind, and then they just play one move, and you can see the game result is totally changing, right? So this is what now you kids also have to start doing. Okay, start thinking at least for next 2 variations, 3 variations. Okay, and when I say variation, it's a combination, right? Say for example, king coming here is one variation, or king coming here is another variation, right? If the king comes here, you have the immediate threat. It's a force move, check and then capture any of these pieces, right? So if it comes here, it is not immediate threat, right? So that way you need to think. Okay. Okay. Anyways, let's come back. Anybody wanted to say something? Yashas, you were saying something.
No, sir.
Nivan, you
No,
wanted
sir.
to say something?
Sir,
Okay.
do we want to rejoin?
No, we will stop here, kids. Mayuresh, any question, suggestion?
Sir, no.
Okay. Advait, Eva.
No,
No, sir.
Okay. So did you understood this, kids? Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Both these puzzles, that gave us the hint. Okay. Here, removing the defender, the solution provided by Anay was, he could recognize that pattern. Okay. So pattern recognition is very important, kids. Okay. Just look at the board position and think what is important piece for you and how can you remove that defender. Okay. And in the second case, I think it was suggested by Eva, right? So good one. You identified it. Okay. And after this, but what next? Okay. So you could not think of, right? So that is suggestion for each one of you. Once you play the first move, okay, don't play directly. First of all, think of all possibilities and then decide what to play. Okay. So that's what we will stop here for today, kids, on this note. Okay. Keep practicing, keep analyzing, and keep improving your game. Bye bye, kids. Enjoy.
Yes, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.